Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the conversation on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. So of course, if you don't have it, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you are currently using. Once you open that, go to the URL section and type download Skype application and hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, this will be pretty simple and easy because you must have been downloaded something on your PC before and it will be the same. So once it's downloaded, you'll need to install it and open it up. And when you open it, they'll ask you to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can even create one from there. Once you read one of these two options, you'll find yourself with the home screen or the main screen that contains a welcome sentence with your name or your username. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to download our conversation. So you maybe have here a lot of conversations and I don't know, and you want to download them simply. So of course, if you want to do that, you'd like to go to the browser, any browser you are using again, and open a new tab, or you'll find yourself in a new tab if you just open the browser. And here you would like to type go.skype slash or .com/exports, and oh, you don't see it, so okay, here is it, go.skype.com/exports, and hit the enter button. Oh, sorry, opened it in a new window. So of course, go.skype.com/exports and hit the enter button. We'll just wait now for this page until it loads. And of course, if you are not logged into your account here, you would like to log in as well into this page. And once you are here, you would like to submit a request of what you want to actually download. It could be conversation, it could be files, or it could be both. So check whatever you want and submit your request and come back after 1 hour or something like that. And you will find your conversation. As you can see here, for me, I already requested that before and I will be able to download my conversation. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.